The Presto 16-inch electric skillet with glass cover is the perfect choice for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and entertaining. Let's take a look. The Presto electric skillet features a generous 16-inch cooking surface with extra high sidewalls for added cooking and serving capacity. Roast, fry, stew, bake, and make casseroles in this versatile skillet. The Control Master heat control lets you select temperatures from warm to 400 degrees and will maintain that temperature automatically. A heavy cast aluminum base with premium non-stick finish inside and out assures stick-free cooking and easy cleaning time after time. Even scrambled eggs cook without sticking. And when you're finished, detach the heat control and the skillet and cover are fully immersible and dishwasher safe. The Presto 16-inch electric skillet is wonderful for family-sized meals of spare ribs, pork chops, chicken, and roast. Even deep dish pizza and stir-fry cook to perfection. Plus, you'll save energy because it's more efficient than using a range burner or heating the oven. And that's not all. The Presto 16-inch electric skillet easily doubles as a buffet server. Its generous size, attractive styling, sturdy tempered glass cover, and versatile Control Master heat control makes it ideal for large batches of barbecues, hot beef, chicken wings, and more. The Presto 16-inch electric skillet with tempered glass cover, a great kitchen tool. Get one today.